This is a map of Malaysia, and this is Johor, and we are going to tour all over Johor, visiting some of the best properties that you can buy and invest in, from $100,000 condos all the way up to $4 million boutique beachfront villas. Now, all these properties that we are going to visit are all eligible for MM2H. Now, this is going to be a multi-episode series over the course of the next few days. So there's going to be multiple episodes visiting different properties. And the first one that we are going to start with is Forest City. Many don't know that there's actually two parts to Forest City. We have the Forest City Island and the Forest City Golf Resort. So we are going to check out both today, and I've actually booked a stay at Forest City just to see how nice is it to live there and if it's really that scary and how many ghosts are there. It's a 4-hour journey from here, KL, all the way to Johor, so let's stop for coffee. After a 4-hour drive, we are finally at Forest City Golf Resort. There's actually a lot of cars here. And we are here at the Forest City Golf Hotel. This is the outdoor seating area, and you have the golf course here. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful golf course. Alright, so here we have the entire map of Johor, Singapore and Forest City. So down here you have Singapore. You have the main Forest City is actually down here, the island. Straight road going up to Forest City Golf Resort. So this is where we are right now. And this is the second link bridge to get into Singapore. Alright, so I've walked one whole round in the Forest City Golf Resort, and there's not much things to eat. So I'm going to go out, get something to eat, and then we'll go and check out our Forest City stay. That is the actual unit that is for sale. So we'll go and have a look at the unit. So we are now at Eco Botanic. It's about 15 minutes away from Forest City, and there is just so many different choices of food. And this place is still developing. So you have food on this side, and then you have more developments on this side. New rows of shops, retail outlets on that side, houses on that side, apartments on this side. So there's a lot of empty plots of land around here. So the development is slowly coming up. Alright, now we're going to the unit. Let's check out what the place is actually like. Door is open. Automatic. Butler contact, service complaint, 24 hours emergency hotline. Right, this is level 702. Right, just got the door open. Alright, quite decent actually. Alright, let's go for a house tour. This is the door entrance. As you come in, you're greeted with the dining and the kitchen. On one side, hall and a balcony. You have one room on this side with wardrobes. You have the vanity counter. You have one more room here and a very small toilet. This is like super small. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. I'm not sure what's the size of this unit, but I'll find out and I'll put it on screen. They wasted the space at the balcony, but they couldn't make the bathroom slightly bigger. Then again, this is the view that you get. I'm not sure what else to do here. But yeah, you guys wanted me to come and stay here for the night. Here I am staying for the night. Good morning, guys. So I just spent the night in Forest City, and it wasn't as scary as I thought, but it was super dark. But then again, entire Johor is super dark after 9 p.m. The only thing you hear are birds chirping, especially in the morning. This is the view like in the morning. I mean, it's the same as yesterday. You can see a lot of cars going in and out of this main road here. So anyways, let's go to the sales gallery. There's going to be 2 units that's about 500 to 600 square feet. That's in this show gallery here in Forest City Island. Then we're going to go to the golf resort to see the golf villas. Let's go. Okay, so we are in the sales gallery of Forest City. The reason I'm back here in Forest City for the second time this year is because I have to say that I do believe in this project. And before you guys go crazy, let me tell you first, I have to make a disclaimer. I am not sponsored by Forest City or by the developer or by anyone here in any case. Everything I say here in Forest City about Forest City is my own opinion. As you can see, this is the entire place. You have starting from here all the way until the end to the Cerulean Bay. it's all sold out. Forest City is gaining traction because of the MM2H SEZ pass. There is an international school, the Forest City International School. There's about 200 to 300 students here. It's been operating for about 3 to 5 years, I think. And this is following the US education standard. Alright, so this is the first unit that we are going to check out. This is 517 square feet. This one is going for about 600,000 ringgit, but there are some special package and rebates. So this is a 1 bedroom plus another bedroom with 1 toilet. As you come in, you have the kitchen on this side and you have the +1 on this side. There's the small hall with a small dining and another small pantry area on this side. You have the vanity counter here, and this is the master bedroom. That's the 1 bedroom. Oh, there's also a balcony as well. That's the balcony. When you're buying for MM2H, this is not going to be a place to stay. You buy this unit and you rent it out to either locals or Singaporeans who live in Malaysia but work in Singapore. There are demand for this place. The second bridge is right here, the Tuas checkpoint they call it. So most Singaporeans or locals, they prefer to stay on this side of Johor so that they can easily enter and exit with minimal traffic. So that's why this is the hottest selling unit, because people can buy it up and then immediately rent it out. Then you can rent anywhere else in KL or JB, Penang, Langkawi, wherever you want. Forget about the whole ghost town hype or ghost town craze. That's not the case. I stayed here, I lived through it, it's fine, no issue. So let's go check out the 600 square feet unit. Now this is the 600 square feet, slightly different. So this one is basically 2 bedrooms and an extra room. So it's 2 plus 1 but with 1 toilet. So you come in, kitchen on the left, study room on the right, dining, the hall, 1 room, the toilet's over here, and another room over here. This is a small room. Now, because a lot of you want the cheapest possible pass, that's why I'm here in Forest City again, to show you guys the opportunity that you have. Get the MM2H SEZ pass, get this unit, rent it out, and then rent anywhere else you want to stay. For the retirement home, we are going to check out the golf villas. Now, also stay tuned because we are also going to check out a few other properties tomorrow in Dangabe and as well as in Desaru. 16 million ringgit beachfront villa. For now, let's continue with the tour. Alright, now we are at the golf villas. As you can see, this is the show unit, and in front here is where the golf course is. We are going to check out this golf unit. Now this is a cluster home. It's like 4 homes connected. So 1/4 is your house. So you have a nice small garden on this side. You can easily park at least 2 cars. So you have the bedroom, laundry area, dining, kitchen, living room, porch. And on the first floor, you have the master bedroom, open terrace, and another terrace. So yeah, it's about 2,000 square feet, 2 bedrooms. Let's go have a look. Coming in, this is where you get nice double volume ceiling, kitchen cabinet, full on. And on this side here, you have 1 bedroom. Okay, so you have the bathroom on the outside here. So going upstairs, there's only 1 room here, the master bedroom. Open terrace on this side. Toilet again, not bad. Coming up, you come to the main terrace. This is beautiful. You can see the amount of people playing golf on that side. The thing about this place is there's no tall buildings. There's only the 1 golf hotel, which is right there. That's the only so-called tower that is over here. This is a 2-bedroom villa and it's going for about 1.2 million ringgit, or about 300,000 US dollars. I'm going to show you 1 more villa. That is a 3-bedroom that has been renovated extensively to become 4 bedrooms. Let's go. Okay, so now we are here at the 3-bedroom villa. This is the front entrance. It looks very modern. Guys, the ID inside here, I have to warn you, the ID inside here is so nice that you might actually buy this unit. This is where you enter and you come into the kitchen and dining first. So you have the dining on one end, the kitchen or the dry kitchen basically, and then the wet kitchen is over here. So this is the hall that you're coming into. So we're in the hall, double volume as you can see, and there's a nice bar on this side. Alright, so going up 1 floor, this is the only thing on the first floor. You have 1 bedroom with the vanity counter or walk-in wardrobe. The room is over here. See, what I like is they've done everywhere throughout the house, they've done this curved wall, which makes it look super clean. And what you also get is an outdoor terrace. Now going up, you're greeted with the master bedroom. So when you're coming in, you don't actually see the toilet, but only when you know and push the door, only then you get into the toilet. Now coming in, you have this big textured wall, a feature wall, nice vanity counter there, Japanese style tatami bed. You have some blinds at the windows. Now there's a lot to show you guys in a very small period of time. Now let's go half floor above to see the third bedroom. Coming in, this is I think the smallest bedroom. You come in, you have the room on this side, closet is here, and you have the toilet right here. Now we're up here, one more floor, the top floor, the open terrace, how they've transformed it into an office slash studio space. You have a lot of natural sunlight, and you have your pantry area. Of course, you can entertain more guests with your wine. You can actually close it up with the blinds. You can also close up the entire terrace if it starts to rain. Now, in terms of prices, this particular one is on sale for about 3.4 million ringgit, including everything, the ID, the whole renovation and stuff. So you can immediately just pack your bags and move in. Zero relocation fee. Okay, so in an unexpected turn of events, I am now in one of the penthouses called Nigella Park. Somehow they got me access to view one of the show units. So here I am showing you guys a 4,000 square feet penthouse in the sky with private lift lobby and your own private pool. This cost about 8 million ringgit. Let's go for the tour. So we start off with your private lift lobby. As soon as the lift doors open, you are already in your own private area. So this is your entire private area, your shoe cabinet, and this is your unit. This is your living hall with your private infinity pool overlooking Forest City. On the left, you have a balcony as well as a chilling area. And on the right, you have the dining hall as well as the kitchen. This is the view you get. And you have your pool. This is your own private infinity pool. You have to mention the built-in air conditioning system. Very neat. A lot of high-end luxury residence has this. You have one room over here together with the toilet. On this side is where the other rooms are. This is the first room. The toilets. Another room here. Same thing, same size. Now we go to the master bedroom. Huge windows on the wall overlooking basically Singapore and bringing in a lot of natural sunlight. And the lighting is all about glow lighting, not direct lighting, but mostly glow lighting. Oh, and this is the walk-in wardrobe. This is huge. And now let's check out the master bathroom. This is nice. Alright, I just wanted to give you guys a very quick tour of the penthouse here. It's called Nigella Park. So if you guys are interested, it starts at about 8 million ringgit and there is a special package and rebates. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments below. If 7 to 8 million ringgit is out of your range, tomorrow we are going to check out a new property that costs about 500,000 ringgit or about 100,000 US dollars. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.